Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, LED headlights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.